Welcome back to Sri Lanka Sanchar. Today, we take you to a breathtaking hideaway surrounded by the mystical mountains of Ella. Welcome to Ella 9 Peaks. As soon as you arrive at Ella 9 Peaks, you're embraced by pure serenity, a place where nature speaks louder than words, and every moment feels like a deep breath of peace, nestled right in the heart of Ella. This eco-inspired retreat brings you luxury through simplicity and the magic of untouched nature. Imagine waking up to this view every day, the 9 majestic peaks greeting you with sunrise like a painting coming to life. The rooms are designed to merge comfort and nature. Simple, elegant, and perfectly aligned with Ella's calm soul. When you dine here, every flavor is inspired by these hills. Fresh, local, and made with love. From authentic Sri Lankan meals to warm cups of Ceylon tea, every bite feels richer with this view. Located close to Ella's top attractions, this retreat becomes your gateway to adventure. Whether you're hiking, chasing waterfalls, or watching trains glide through the 9-arch bridge, it's all just minutes away. When the day is done, Ella 9 Peaks becomes your personal sanctuary. Quiet, calm, a perfect place to heal, reflect, and simply be. Soothing views, gentle winds, and the silence of mountains. This is Ella's purest luxury. Ella 9 Peaks is more than a stay. It's an unforgettable experience with nature. If you're searching for peace, beauty, and adventure all in one place, this is where your journey begins. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sri Lanka Sanchar for more hidden gems across our beautiful island. See you in the next adventure. Ayu Bawan.